Module 3. Large Blue Diamond Introduction. Every day, thousands of workers enter construction sites, factories, and industrial environments to perform their duties. They come to work with one expectation: to complete their job. But the most important expectation is this: to complete the job safely and return home without injury. In reality, many workplace incidents are not caused by complex failures or lack of knowledge. They are caused by simple things: unsafe habits, poor decisions, rushing work, or ignoring basic safety practices. A missing helmet, a blocked walkway, a careless step near moving equipment. These small actions often lead to serious consequences. In this module, you will learn the essential personal safety rules and site practices that every worker must follow. This is not just theory. This is practical knowledge that applies every day, on every site. Because safety is not something you remember occasionally. It is something you practice continuously. Large Blue Diamond Section 1. PPE. A worker entered a site for just a few minutes without wearing a helmet. He believed it was a quick task, nothing serious. Within seconds, a small object fell from a height. It was not heavy, but it was enough. That moment changed his life permanently. This is how most incidents happen, not during dangerous tasks, but during routine ones. So the question is not, do you need PPE? The question is, are you using it correctly every time? Small Blue Diamond, why it matters. PPE is considered the last line of defense in safety. Before PPE, there should be controls like elimination, engineering, and safe procedures. But when those controls are not enough, PPE is what protects your body from direct harm. Without PPE, even a minor hazard can become a serious injury. With PPE, the same hazard may result in little or no harm. Personal protective equipment includes multiple categories, each designed to protect a specific part of the body. Head protection. Helmets protect against falling objects and impact. Eye and face protection. Goggles and face shield protect against dust, sparks, and chemical splashes. Hearing protection. Earplugs or earmuffs reduce exposure to harmful noise levels. Respiratory protection. Masks and respirators protect against dust, fumes, and toxic gases. Hand protection. Gloves protect against cuts, burns, and chemical exposure. Foot protection. Safety boots protect against heavy objects and sharp materials. Body protection. Coveralls and reflective vests improve visibility and reduce exposure. Fall protection. Harness systems prevent serious injury when working at height. According to international standards such as Occupational Safety and Health Administration and International Labor Organization, PPE must always be suitable for the hazard, properly fitted, regularly inspected and maintained. Small Blue Diamond proper use. Using PPE correctly is just as important as wearing it. Before use, I'll inspect for cracks, tears, or damage. I'll ensure correct size and fit. Check compatibility with other PPE. During use, wear it properly at all times. Do not modify or remove it during work. I'll ensure it stays in position. After use, I'll clean it if required. I'll store it in a safe and dry place. Replace damaged items immediately. Small Blue Diamond limitations. PPE has limitations. It does not eliminate hazards. It only reduces exposure. It can fail if used incorrectly, worn inconsistently, poorly maintained. It can also create a false sense of security. Some workers believe that wearing PPE means they are fully safe, but this is not true. The hazard still exists. Small Blue Diamond scenario reinforcement. For example, wearing gloves will not protect you from unsafe machinery. Wearing a helmet will not protect you from standing under a suspended load. This is why PPE must always be combined with safe behavior. Small Blue Diamond knowledge check. You are cutting metal and wearing gloves, but no eye protection. Are you safe? Pause. No. Your hands may be protected, but your eyes are exposed. Proper PPE must match the hazard completely. PPE protects you, but only when selected, used, and maintained correctly. Large Blue Diamond Section 2. Housekeeping. Many workers expect accidents to come from heavy machinery or dangerous tools. But one of the most common causes of injury is much simpler: tripping over something that should not be there. Small Blue Diamond, why it matters. Poor housekeeping creates multiple risks. Or slips from wet or oily surfaces. trips from tools, cables, or materials, or fire hazards from accumulated waste, or blocked emergency exits during evacuation. A poorly maintained site is not just untidy, it is dangerous. Good housekeeping requires discipline and consistency. Key practices include keeping walkways and access routes clear, removing waste materials regularly, cleaning spills immediately, or storing tools properly after use, maintaining clear emergency exits. One widely used system is the 5S method. Sort, remove unnecessary items. Set, organize what is needed. Shine, keep the area clean. Standardize, maintain consistency. Sustain, make it a habit. Small blue diamond scenario. Imagine a worker carrying material through a cluttered area. He cannot see the floor clearly. One loose cable is enough to cause a fall. Now imagine the same area clean and organized. The risk is eliminated. Small blue diamond knowledge check. Look at this work area. Can you identify 3 hazards? Pause. Loose cables, spilled liquid, and blocked walkway. All preventable. A clean workplace is not about appearance. It is about safety. Large blue diamond section 3, fire safety. A small spark may seem harmless, but in the wrong environment, it can become a fire within seconds and an emergency within minutes. Fire requires 3 elements: heat, a fuel, a oxygen. This is known as the fire triangle. Removing any one of these elements will stop the fire. Fires are classified based on the material involved. Class A, solid materials. Or Class B, flammable liquids. Class C, electrical equipment. Or Class D, metals. Class K, cooking oils. Small blue diamond procedures. In case of fire, follow RAC. Rescue, help anyone in danger. Alarm, raise the alarm. Contain, close doors to limit spread. Extinguish, only if safe. To use an extinguisher, follow PSS. Pull the pin. Aim at the base. Squeeze the handle. Sweep side to side. Small blue diamond decision-making. Before attempting to fight a fire, ask yourself, is the fire small and contained? Do I have the correct extinguisher? Am I trained to use it? Do I have a safe exit path? If the answer to any of these is no, evacuate immediately. Small blue diamond takeaway. Fighting fire is optional. Protecting life is not. Large blue diamond section 4. Working around equipment. Most fatal accidents on construction and industrial sites involve moving equipment. Excavators, forklifts, cranes, trucks. These machines are powerful, heavy, and constantly in motion. But the danger is not just the machine itself. It is how close people get to it, how they move around it, and how they communicate with operators. Many of these accidents happen in seconds, and most of them are preventable. Small blue diamond, why it matters. When you are working around equipment, you are exposed to high-energy hazards. These include impact forces from moving vehicles, crushing forces from heavy loads, mechanical motion from rotating parts. Unlike small hazards, these incidents are often severe or fatal. That is why strict control and awareness are critical. Small blue diamond technical content. The main hazards when working around equipment include struck by hazards, when a worker is hit by moving equipment or falling objects. For example, a reversing truck or swinging crane load. Caught in or caught between hazards, when a worker is trapped between moving parts or fixed objects. For example, between a machine and a wall. Blind spots, areas around equipment where the operator cannot see workers. These are especially dangerous around large vehicles such as dump trucks and excavators. Operators rely on visibility, mirrors, and signals, but they cannot see everything. Small blue diamond scenario-based explanation. Imagine a worker walking behind a reversing truck. The operator checks mirrors, but the worker is in a blind spot. Within seconds, the worker is at risk. Now imagine the same situation with proper control. The worker stops, makes eye contact, receives a signal, and then proceeds. The risk is controlled. Small blue diamond controls. To stay safe around equipment, always follow these rules. Maintain a safe distance from moving equipment at all times. Never enter an equipment operating zone unless necessary. Always make eye contact with the operator before approaching. Wait for a clear signal from the operator. Use designated walkways and avoid active work zones. Stay late. Avoid distractions such as mobile phones. Wear high-visibility clothing to remain visible. In addition, use engineering and administrative controls, barriers and exclusion zones, warning signs and alarms, spotters to guide movement, traffic management plans. For maintenance work, follow lockout-tagout procedures to ensure equipment is fully isolated before work begins. Small blue diamond critical rule reinforcement. Never assume the operator can see you. If you are not sure, you are not safe. Small blue diamond don't. Left, unsafe. Worker walking behind reversing truck, no eye contact, no awareness. Right, safe. Worker stops, makes eye contact, receives signal, maintains distance. Small blue diamond knowledge check. You need to approach a moving excavator to speak with the operator. What should you do first? Pause. Stop at a safe distance, make eye contact, and wait for a clear signal. Never approach without confirmation. Small blue diamond takeaway. Machines do not think. They do not see everything. Your safety depends on your awareness and actions. Large blue diamond section 5. Manual handling a wrong lift can cause a lifetime injury. Use TILE. Task or individual load or environment. Safe lifting. Keep back straight. Bend knees, hold the load close or lift smoothly. Small blue diamond don't. Bent back vs proper lifting posture. Small blue diamond knowledge check. What is the first step before lifting? Pause, assess using TILE. Small blue diamond takeaway. Lift smart, not hard. Large blue diamond section 6. Toolbox talks. A 5-minute conversation before work can prevent a serious accident, but only if it is done correctly. Small blue diamond, why it matters. Toolbox talks are one of the most effective ways to communicate safety on site. They ensure that workers understand current hazards. Risks are discussed before work begins. Everyone is aligned on safe practices. Without communication, even trained workers can make unsafe decisions. Small blue diamond technical content. A toolbox talk should be, short, typically 5 to 10 minutes. A focus on specific tasks or hazards, relevant, based on actual site conditions. It should include explanation of hazards, safe work procedures, worker participation, feedback and clarification. Small blue diamond good vs poor practice. A poor toolbox talk is rushed, a generic, one-way communication. A good toolbox talk is interactive, specific to the task, encourages questions, ensures understanding. Small blue diamond worker role. As a worker, your role is critical. You must pay attention, ask questions if unclear, share concerns, or report hazards. Safety is not only the supervisor's responsibility, it is everyone's responsibility. Small blue diamond knowledge check. You attend a toolbox talk, but you do not understand the instructions. What should you do? Pause. Ask questions immediately. Uncertainty leads to unsafe actions. Small blue diamond takeaway. Clear communication prevents confusion, and confusion causes accidents. Large blue diamond final summary. In this module, you have learned essential personal safety practices, how to use PPE correctly, why housekeeping matters, basic fire safety principles, safe behavior around equipment, proper manual handling techniques, the importance of toolbox talks. These are not just rules. They are habits that protect you every day. Safety is not something you switch on and off. It is something you carry with you in every action. Large blue diamond call to action. If you want to build a strong and successful career in HSE, continue this training series on KHAB 17, HSE Global Safety Leader. Because safety is not optional. It is a responsibility that starts with you.